say, wee. Look, see? It's alright. It's all good.
Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
Their clothes are way more expensive.
Who's the organization that's sending her? Grace, yeah. Yeah, little boy. Ah, get him.
Hungry and you know it, say oh. If you're hungry and you know it, say oh. If you're hungry and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're hungry and you know it, say oh.
She's great, like Ash, but she's so fat. Stop calling her fatty.
Stop calling her fatty.
Look, get the angle, man. Zoom out. That's a fat cat.
And my head hit the wall. Boom.
I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You're supposed to so Rory can see it. Like, I'm back legs, we're gonna go back up. It's not about you, it's about her. She's real.
Help! Help! Mother, please! I'm gonna die. I see God. Death awaits.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mensu.
Hello? Hello? Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh!
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Sure, it's not that noticeable.
Okay.
Oh Jesus! Look at the zoomies.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
En la Michi Pizzería todo se amasa a patita, pide la tuya de pollito, croquetazo.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Please help me. How do I keep a cat off the counter? I've tried everything. I've tried it all. The aluminum foil, the plastic cat mats. He's driving me absolutely insane. This guy is crazy. I don't know what to do anymore. He won't even...
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
Would you like some supper?
The ball.
Wow. I didn't know that. I just, you're telling me now for the first time.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
Merv, I have your smelly bird.
Merv.
Oh, Merv.
The attitude she has.
What did you do? It was you!
Food, of course. What's your favorite food?
Children.
This one is very, very
If you eat this piece of pizza, you don't make it into heaven.